Hey guys, so today I decided we're gonna do a demo on Chroma from Red Apple Fireworks, just because I can't go a couple days without shooting stuff off, and well, I love this brand. So here it is. It's a 24 pack. You can see 5-inch shells. What I love about this company is all the effects. Everything is on the back. One of my favorites. And these are bangers, guys. So let's open it up, see what's inside. So as usual, we got 12-inch tube. Oops. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Really nice packaging. Love the colors. So yeah, there's the tube, fiberglass, and I just reuse these over and over again. You know, you'll probably get like 100 shots out of them before it's time to replace. So make sure you guys don't throw these away. You know, save them in case you want to build a rack later on and do a multi-shoot. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna load them up in the rack, fuse them up, and shoot them one by one. I'll probably do just one of the sleeves today, just for the demo. Save the rest to do a couple more videos. You know, I use these in my shows, so as you can see, I got a bunch of different kind of shells. All these totes are full of shells. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I fuse it up. Okay, so got all fused up. Decided to go with the blue pack and just fused it up. This little easy 6-shot rack that I make, just like, that's why I said don't throw these away. What I did is just, you know, screw these on the board, and just makes it easier. That way you light it, you don't have to run back and forth lighting each one. This is how I do it. I pick which one wants to go first, and you know, it's gonna go in this direction like that. When I fuse up big racks, the tubes are much closer. I would just go usually in a row or zigzag, depending on which direction you want it to go. But yeah, I always use 2 zip ties just to make sure that they don't come disconnected, because these vibrate a lot when they shoot, and sometimes if you don't have them tight enough, they come undone. Whenever you guys fuse up like this, whichever direction you want it to go, make sure that the fuse is always facing, the end of the fuse is always facing the direction that you want it to go. All right, so like that. Yeah, there you go. I'll get back to you when it's time to shoot. Okay guys, so we're at the shooting site. It's my wife. I'm looking for some targets. I'm gonna play with these toys here for a little bit, and then here's our fireworks for the demo today. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when it gets a little darker. Okay guys, it's dark enough, so here comes Chroma.